Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Subaru Outback. First, gather all your necessary supplies, including a new oil filter, a drain pan, and the correct amount of fresh engine oil, typically around 1 quarts for many models. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully slide under your Subaru and locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, loosen and remove the plug, allowing the used oil to flow freely into the pan. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing for the fresh oil. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 1/4 to 1/2 turn more. Finally, reinsert and tighten the drain plug securely. The final steps involve adding fresh oil and performing a quick check. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new oil, typically around 1 quarts. Replace the cap, start your engine, and let it run for a minute. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.